As we say goodbye to Tucson, Arizona and the Desert Trails RV Park, we'd like to take a moment to reminisce about our time here. After all, the past few months have been a whirlwind of completing projects, making new friends, seeing old friends, good times, hard times, and the pure will to keep persevering forward with a positive outlook.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
Guys, just sitting here working today, and I've got a live concert outside the door, and the cutest puppy came to visit. Not a bad office for the day. We came to Desert Trails with the original intent to spend 1 month updating a few things on our camper. During that month, we both got COVID, delaying some of our projects. But all in all, we had an extremely productive month. So much, in fact, that 1 month turned into 2.
Don't pay no mind to me, I'm just reminiscing about all the times we stayed up too late. It drove me insane, but I'm thinking you'll enjoy the view.
Our second month also had its ups and downs when we found ourselves truckless for 5 weeks. Lucky for us, we also found our hearts full of gratitude when our community came together to help us in our time of need. We feel extraordinarily blessed by the kindness these strangers, now friends, have shown us. Needless to say, those 5 weeks extended our 2-month stay into 3 months.
2 free souls just trying to let go. Nobody knows which way to let them go. 2 free souls just trying to let go. Nobody knows which way to let them go.
We're not known for having a lot of downtime, so our last month consisted of more work on the camper. More projects crossed off our list, and more things working against us, but we kept pressing on with our heads held high.
Wow, that's so much brighter.
All in all, we completed 20 different projects during our stay. Our home may be small and getting up there in age, but she's been upgraded, repaired, and is feeling new as ever. I can't tell you how excited we are to enjoy our newly updated home. We're looking forward to having our best summer yet and can't wait to share it with all our wonderful viewers.
We got a movie on. You plan on eating all that by yourself?
For sure.
Oh, and I found myself a familiar situation. These days of rain are all the same, and I've never been so vacant. Uh-oh, there's a new direction to all the things I'm missing. With the way that you dance in the rain was like watching Superstition. Uh-oh, maybe if we kiss forever, we made it another day. And I just wanna listen Is it so hard to say you don't love me with someone new? Life's no longer about us two. Maybe can you tell me what you want me to do?
There is a 3-day windstorm of speeds over 55 miles an hour coming here this week. So we're actually heading out at Desert Trails RV Park 3 days early to avoid that because we don't want to be driving on the freeway with a crosswind. We've packed up and we're heading out. We're heading north back towards Cave Creek. We're going to head to Sedona next week, so join us there. Join us next week at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to try and live stream for the first time. Next week is actually our 100th Travel Tuesday episode. We would love to chat with all of you.
Time to realize that living in your past won't do nothing for you. You got to remind yourself that the future's coming too. Try to live for right now and choose happiness over everything else. Don't wanna run away, I think it's time to stay, so you can hear me say, yeah. We were always just a couple little souls on the run, and I know we drive us up and now we're coming undone. Fell out too fast and now I'm up past 2 a.m. thinking of it. We were always just a couple little souls on the run, and I know we drive us up and now we're coming undone.
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for rooting for us. And thank you for being amazing. We couldn't have done any of this without you.
2 free souls just trying to let go. Nobody knows which way they'll go. 2 free souls just trying to let go. Nobody knows which way they'll go. Thank you.
If you enjoyed today's episode, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And we'll see you next Tuesday.
This doesn't get views for your YouTube channel. I don't know what will.